How to fix WARDOGS crashing or not launching on Steam. So the first thing that you need to do is restart Steam and your PC. This is worth doing first because it clears temporary Steam states before you start changing anything. Second thing that you need to do is verify the WARDOGS file. So go to the installed files and then click verify integrity of game files. Wait for Steam to finish, then launch the game again. The third is to disable the Steam overlay. So go to the general and then make sure that this is disabled. Then close conflicting background programs. Before launching WARDOGS, temporarily close Discord overlay, NVIDIA recording overlays, MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner, RGB or hardware monitoring utilities, and other programs that eject overlays into games. Also, if you use SOGO input method, close it or switch to Windows to Microsoft Pinwine before launching. A recent WARDOGS Steam report specifically identified SOGO's injected IME DLL as a possible anti-cheat conflict. Fifth, upgrade your graphics driver. Simply just type in the name of your graphics card and then type in update, and here you go. You can download the NVIDIA app. Once you open the NVIDIA app, you're gonna go to the drivers, and then here, as you can see, there's an update available. If there's an update available, simply just click download. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.